Welcome to HWM Aston Martin, and today we got the pleasure of bringing you this beautiful Curtis Black DBX JWW edition. I won't go too much in depth on what the JWW edition DBXs were. We have quite a few videos on our website, and if you want to click some of the links that are in the description of this video, that will take you through to other videos and content about this vehicle. So this car is a 2021, done 19,200 miles from new, and has a one owner with a full service history. And as I said at the beginning, this is finished in Curtis Black. This particular car, we can run you through the specification inside and out. They were fairly fixed on the specs on these. So you could have a particular choice on the outside with a choice on the interior, whether you had full leather or Alcantara. As I say, this one is finished in the black with the duotone Sahara tan and black leather interior. So a few things to sort of note on these particular vehicles. So on these we had, not only did we have some special badging on the car with a bronze finish across the front, we also had the dark finish front grille in the front of the vehicle, and then we had the gloss black bonnet blades on the top here. The gloss black lower body package, which would be your lower splitter, side seals, and also your rear diffuser. You can't really see that probably from the video, but it is a slightly different colour black. It is a gloss black rather than finished in Curtis Black. Moving you down the side of the car, we got these beautiful 22-inch sport finish wheels, and these are done in a gloss black finish with a bronze diamond turned face. Q badging on the side here, finished in the bronze finish, and then your black side strake, mirror caps, roof rails, and also your window runners as well. This particular car has the standard privacy glass on the back of this vehicle. Moving around to the rear of the vehicle, we have the smoked rear lights. We have no script on the back of the boot lid, so the JWW cars didn't have the script, but you do have the Q bronze badging on the rear of the vehicle. And then your sports exhaust with black tail finishes. As you probably see, Curtis Black is a really cool colour. It is a very liquidy black with a sort of a fine golden fleck in the paint. Again, you may well have seen the videos on YouTube of how they put together the paint colours for this particular car. But what we'll do is we'll give you a bit of a run around on the vehicle, and then we'll take you through on the interior. So the interior of this vehicle is a really nice place to be. So we have a duotone interior, so that gave you the upper environment, also the seat backs and also the lower parts of the doors in obsidian black with a Sahara tan seat and also lower dash and steering wheel. And then we then have a contrast stitching, so not a mirrored stitch, a contrast stitch in this car. So we have the black running through on the tan. And a few other elements that are really nice about these particular DBXs. We got this one-off aluminium diamond finish on the door handles and also the center panel here around the lower part of your HVAC controls. And then we then have all your standard DBX equipment, things like your self-parking, also your iPod and Apple CarPlay connectivity, as well as your climate control and radar cruise control. So all those sort of items were standard on here. Most of the finish of this vehicle is about the finish of the car, not the specification. But look, if you want further details on this car, do give us a call at the showroom, or you can visit our website, which is hwmastonmartin.co.uk.